and we have to write here type. Now, first of all, tell me. Right now, I'm writing here hard coding this Paytm PhonePe card here. I need what is the type of object. Those things will be executed by itself. How? Are you understanding? We have a class. How many classes are there? PhonePe, Paytm, Google Pay, card. If I will use the object of PhonePe, the answer should be payment through PhonePe. If I use the object of Paytm, the answer will be through Paytm. How it's possible? Perfect. Perfect. The type is not string. The type is class, na? That's why I am writing here if condition. If condition. If the payment mode instance of what is that? Paytm or card here. Everybody understand card here. Then we have to pass here what, guys? We have to return here what? Card or not? We have to return card. Everybody concentrate. Card. Now, right now you can see it is giving me exception. Then what is the else? Where is the else? That's why only card is there or different classes are there? Different classes are there. So can we write in the same manner, can we write here one more else if, where the instance is a type of what, guys? Paytm. Instance of is a type of Paytm. We will pass which one? Paytm. In the same manner, I will write this one. If the payment mode is a type of what, guys? PhonePe, which is a class. We will pass here what, guys? PhonePe or not? Yes, PhonePe is there. If the instance is a type of GPay, right? GPay is there. Spelling GPay. GPay is there. Then we are passing the Google Pay or not? Google Pay. And else some null. Return this one. Everybody concentrate. Everybody concentrate here, guys. Now, this particular functionality is going to return me the name based on the class or not? I'm going to use here first of all one thing. Everybody concentrate. First of all one thing. Maybe it will return the double quotes. Maybe it will return the null also, na? Possibility or not? In null, are you going to validate? In null, are you going to validate? Then that's why what I will write here so that validation done and the things will be success. Can I write and my time is not there because you have to also practice. That's why. Otherwise, I will make you sure that you will use your mind. Right now, time is not there. मैंने laptop मंगवा लिया लेकिन time ही नहीं मिल रहा है right now. So pardon me if we will not going to practice. Please, sorry for that. Right? But don't keep your laptop tomorrow at home if it is not possible. First of all, I will try my level best to complete it. Right? Now tell me. यार इतना थोड़ा टाइम में पढ़ाने मिलता है मैं क्या पढ़ाऊंगा तुम लोग. Let's see. Tell me, guys. Validate. Now tell me fast. लगाओ दिमाग लगाओ. Can I write if this and right? Type which is coming here. This dot type not equals to. Tell me. This type method is returning string, na? Not equals to is blank. Do you know what is the work of is blank? Sir, right now if you give the space, is empty will give you true or false? It will give you false. Because right now string have the space. But as per user, this is empty string or not? But if you write is blank, the possibility right now, if you give the space, it is giving you false. False means is it empty or not? Not. But the same Java 11 is blank came. Is blank will work with empty as well as space string also, as well as without space also. Are Baba, if you write space, if we apply is empty, right now the answer is right now false. False is what? False means this is not empty. But actually as per user it is empty na. But is empty is telling you false. That's why we are in Java 11 one method came which is known as is blank. Is blank will work with space string also, without space string also, and it will give you what guys? True. So right now tell me, we are writing this dot is blank. This dot is blank right now. Tell me here. Not equals to or directly I will write. Obviously, if the blank is there, if nothing will be there, your payment will proceed. Are yaar bhai, if we are using card, we are paying through card. For Paytm, we are paying through Paytm. Phone Pay, paying through Phone Pay. Google Pay, we are paying through Google Pay. If nothing is there, it is returning me blank or not. If the blank is there, are you going to validate your payment? That's why you are writing here what? Not equals to na. This dot type is blank will give you true or false? True. True not equals to false. What is that? False. This condition will become false or not? This condition will false means payment mode is not suitable, it is giving or not. Are you understanding? These are the logic a little bit. Right? A basic level logic which every fresher and 12th class student have to know. As per this market standard. If you are in the intermediate level, you should have this much of knowledge. डरा रहा हूँ? नहीं. Then sir, why we are studying? Because intermediate level student cannot do a project. Cannot able to think about the project. That's why they need a BTech person who had struggled in the life in different phases. Because 4 years we are not studying, we are living our life in different phase. ठीक है? BTech 4 साल तुम लोग पढ़ने के लिए नहीं किए हो. For increasing your experience of living the life. Right? See here. कोई नहीं पढ़ता है BTech. Very rare. Either you are from IIT or NIT, then you have to. Otherwise, simple college में तो भाई पास कर कॉपी जल्दी पास कर. Please pass the notebook here. Please भाई तुम्हें उसकी कसम. Let's see guys, everybody. So I hope everybody is done with this one, right? Now we are done with this one. Everybody concentrate here. अरे कहाँ गया? Now we are done with that. Okay, great. Now my validation is done. Now everybody see here. Now my validation is done. Let's go guys. Let's run the program. Right now everybody concentrate. Now the payment will done through what guys? Card na. So I am going to write here plus what guys? Type. This dot type. This dot what is that? Type is there. Now let's see, is it going to work out or plus type is there, right? And let's go for the Flipkart app. And the Flipkart app, we are running this application. Still we are in core Java right now. Is card or not? Yes. Everybody see here. Now I want here, everybody concentrate here. Now the card is not there, some GPay is there. Now which mode will going to execute? Payment successful through? Huh? Is it coming or not? Have we changed any name? No. But it's coming? Right. Okay, perfect. We still are in the core Java right now. Now, tell me, the program is working effectively. I have the particular functionality. Every functionality is working. Now, the possibility is, there is a chance of bugs here. There is a chance of bugs in this payment functionality, which will store Phone Pay, Google Pay, some other pay, right? Every pay is there. Now, this payment functionality will not work. Flipkart application get down. Flipkart application get down. I mean to say, no. There are several payment functionality in the same manner, there are thousands of payment functionalities are there as a backup. So if this will not work, then other functionality will work or not? Yes. But here what we have to do, here we have to stop the Flipkart application. Here we have to change this. Again I have to write a new functionality. Again I have to restart the Flipkart application, and again I will tell user to update please. Suppose 10 time happen. User will going to stop this application. Using this application. Giving the reviews. Worst application, this falana. And now you are doing what? You are going in Google Pay, Google Play Store. You are searching for this app and searching for review. Security is not there. This is not a bhag thing. Kaun install karega? Right or not? Now market down, company collapse, tata bye bye. Right? That's why right now, first of all, my first scenario should be stop creating the objects. I need someone who will do all these. Who is that Masiha? Huh? Huh? अरे मार दिया मसीहा को. IOC container will do all those things or not? That's why first of all we are not going to create the object. We are not going to create the object. Wherever object creation are there, every place we have to stop. Then sir, how? Then we are writing here what guys? Application context. Context equals to new based on requirement. We are still in the initial days. Right now, in what way I am started, in that way I am finishing up. Right? So, let's go here. Now understand, everybody understand, this functionality is with me. These functionalities are not with me. These are with me and these are not with me. How can I work? Means all the payment things, which is Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm and card, these all source code are not with me. They are created by someone else. Some company is working on this banking operations. This is not with me. But right now, payment functionality is with me. I'm creating and I'm using the functionality of that class. So that's why I'd use which one? Interface na? So that it will accept every type of things. Right or not? In the same manner, right now this source code is with me. Source code is with me. Fast guys. Source code is with me. And here the source code are not with me. Source codes are not with me. Then I will go for which approach? Which approach? Perfect. Let's write here Java configuration approach guys. Now let's write here a class known as payment configuration. Payment configuration. Everybody understand? Payment configuration. Now how to tell IOC container about this configuration guys? At the rate? Tell me, at the rate? Configuration. Now IOC container will understand what? This is class only contain the bean definitions or not? Okay, how many class we don't have the source code, all the payment or not? Let's write the payment one guys. Now I'm writing here public right now, and first one is what guys? Phone Pay, and then we are writing here, what is that? Phone Pay method, right? Phone Pay method. Yeah, Phone Pay method, right? Phone Pay method is there. कहाँ गया? फिर उधर में maybe the possibility ये तंग करेगा. Hold on guys, just a minute. Refactor rename पे को कर देते small. Next, finish. Just a minute guys. Hold on. Let's go to Flipkart app. Yeah. कहाँ गया भाई? payment function, phone pay. Yeah, we had already changes. Everybody see here. Now I'm going for configuration class, and then we are writing here phone pay here, right? Phone pay here, and then we are writing here what guys? Phone pay. Everybody see here phone pay, right? Pay equals to new phone pay. Everybody concentrate here, new phone pay, and then we are writing here return pay. Everybody see here, return pay. Done. Now concentrate. Everyone, please don't shout it. Please see here. Now we are writing here what one? Which one, guys? Paytm. Paytm is there. Paytm is there. And then we are changing it to what, guys? Paytm. Paytm. And then what we are writing here? We are writing here Paytm. Pay. Pay equals to new Paytm. Done. Now we are done with this one. Okay. The next one is right now. Which one? The next one is right now. Which one? नहीं और था गूगल पे भी था राइट गूगल पे राइट पे जी पे राइट एंड देन गूगल पे इज देयर अरे भाई ये गूगल अयो ना करियो जी पे इज देयर हाँ पे इक्वल्स टू न्यू गूगल पे डन. Now we are done with this one, and the last one is card one. Yeah. So right now I'm writing here public card. Everybody see here, public card is there, and then we are creating here card. Everybody concentrate, card pay equals to new card. Okay, and then we are returning here return pay. यार मैं seriously मैं manager जैसा influence हो गया. My manager used to talk like that only. You know, like by writing only he will do like, okay, so what we can answer here. बीच में कुमार सानू क्यों बनते हो आप? Right? Let's see. So I'm writing here what? @bean. Okay. So can we say this is a bean definition? Yes. Now in the same manner I have to write here right now bean is there. And then we are writing here what is @bean is there, and then again we have to write here @bean is there. Perfect. Now we are done with this thing. Now my class is the bean configuration class, guys. Yes. Now the issue is कहाँ चले जाते हो? Online people, are you understanding, guys? Right? Okay. Let's see. Now the issue is right now every class which is present here, hard coded value or not? No, let's remove this hard code value, guys. Let's remove this hard code values. Right, from for Paytm, phone pay, exactly, phone pay, and we are writing all those things. चलो fast हो जाएगा. Time है हमारे पास. Card is there. SBI will be there. Property. Perfect. Then we are writing in this manner. Okay. Are the source code of this class is with me, guys? No, na? No, perfect. So we'll do all the approaches in which class? Java configuration class or not? Are you feeling comfortable little bit? Okay. Right now, we will go for which class, guys? Payment configuration class. And first of all, we have to create the property file or not? Yes, let's create a property file. Let's create a file as a class name. File, buddy. I don't need class. Let's go for this one. Right? Let's go for the file here. Now I'm writing here file here, and I'm writing here application dot properties. Properties or not? Yes, application dot properties. Let's write here QR code. Right? Phone pay QR is there. So I'm writing here what? QR hash phone QR hash phone pay, right? QR hash phone pay. We can use properties in the Now let's see, in phone pay we had written this one, phone pay. Yeah, exactly, phone pay is there because we have to check phone pay is there. Okay, the next one we have to write here what? Paytm QR. Everybody see here, Paytm QR. Now I'm writing here same QR. Everybody concentrate, QR hash, and what is that? Paytm. So let's go for the Paytm first of all. Let's check here what is the name. Chat thoda niche jao. Paytm. Okay, Paytm is there. Let's go, guys. Here. Now I'm writing here Paytm. Now in the same way, right? Google, right? GPay QR equals to what is that? QR hash and Google Pay. Google Pay. Yeah, Google Pay is there. Everybody concentrate. Google Pay is there, and these all are with the same person name now. That's why these all are the account of same person name. So I'm writing here Prashant. Dollar. Sorry. Now done. Okay. Now this. Anything else? Card. Yeah, card is there, but card we will not write here because card is of two type. Card is of how many type? Two type. That's why I'm writing here. Everybody concentrate. I'm writing here a card known as SBI properties, which have the SBI things, right? So let's go here. Let's. Arey bhai. My hand chal raha hai. Now let's see, guys. I'm writing here file. File is there, and I'm writing here SBI card property. SBI card dot which one, guys? Properties SBI card dot property. Now in the SBI card, what is things are there, guys? Card name. Okay, card name is SBI. Let's go here. Equal ignore case we had written. That's why no issue. Card name is what is that? SBI is there. Okay, the next one is what, guys? Let's go here. Card number is there. Card number should be how many? Card number should be 13, right? Okay, great. Now let's write here card number should be 13. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 13 is done. 9 and 4, 13 only, right? Okay. The next one is what, guys? Chalo fast batao yaar, batao. Card holder name. Holder name. So do we have to write card holder name again? Do we have to write card holder name again? Why? Because these all thing payment done by one person, na? The name is already available here. And all those things we will dump inside one place. And we'll fetch with the name or not? Yes, exactly. Girls, are you understanding? Okay. Now let's see. Now we are going for ICICI. Right? ICICI is there. ICICI card. Everybody concentrate here. Properties we are writing. Okay. Now same thing we are writing. Instead of this, we are writing here ICICI. Right? And we are changing some number as 8. We are changing some number as 3. We are changing some number as 2. We are changing the number as 2 and 1. Something like that. Now my class is ready, right? I mean to say, sir, all the properties files are ready. Perfect. Let's go for the configuration class, guys. First of all, let's go for the configuration class. Guys, everybody see. Let's go for the configuration class. And inside this configuration class, first of all, what we have to do? Tell me. What we have to do? Exactly. We have to write property sources or not? Yes. So we have how many property? One property or different property? So all things should be loaded or not? Because this payment, PhonePe, Paytm, Google Pay, card and all those things are reading from different places or not? That's why I'm writing here property sources. It's having the array? Yes. Inside the array, first of all, I'm writing one property source. Yes. One property source as, tell me first. Class path. Oh, sorry. Class path colon. Tell me. Dot. Exactly. Slash. Day. 30. Slash. Application. Dot. Properties. Yes. Application dot properties. Yes or no? Yes. Now in the same manner, everybody concentrate here. In the same manner, Control C. I'm going to write here comma. And I'm going to write here property source or not. Control Shift O, package imported. And instead of this one, I'm going to write here what, guys? Now, SICICI card dot properties, right? Okay. In the same manner, I will write property source. And instead of this one, I can write here what, guys? SBI card properties, right? In outside, give this question to anyone. Go. How effectively you guys will tell, I'm betting. Give this question to the persons. Solve करके दिखाओ. बस इतना ही बोलना कि थोड़ा idea दे दो. You will see what idea you will give them. Right? नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Like the people are missing with the practicals. That is the main thing. The greatest among all the times are teaching here. The people who are teaching in the Naresh IT, guys, from a long time, those are not faculty, those are known as doctor. Those are the doctor of these things. Those are not faculty. Don't disrespect them by giving the name as faculty. I'm talking about long time. I'm talking about the long time. Those are the doctors of this. Okay, let me tell you. Everybody know Virat Kohli, everybody know Sachin Tendulkar, everybody know Rohit, right? In the same field, in the Java, there in our institute, there is Sachin Tendulkar and all those in their own field, right? So, but the missing thing is, you guys are not, I mean to say the people who are learning, they are not effectively doing hands-on. They will become awesome, guys, awesome. They will, right? So let's see, that's different thing, right? Because of them only, their knowledge only, guys, I'm at a place. Because I had gathered their knowledge in some different manner, not a normal way. And my Guruji used to tell me these things, that learn with maturity. Only one word, learn with maturity. So that's why. So let's see, guys, everybody. Now everybody concentrate here. Now everybody concentrate here. We are done with all those property sources and all. Am I clear? Am I clear, guys, everybody? Now tell me, for this one, when property sources will create it internally, it will store in which place? IOC container will create what? Environment or not? Environment is a class or an object. So that's why I'm writing here what, guys? Environment, right? Tell me, environment, and I have to write here environment or not? And then I have to write here @AutoWire or not? Okay, @AutoWire will be there. Okay, fine. Now, do we have any method in the environment? Right? Do we have any method in the environment which will take all the values? I mean to say, give me the values. What is the method, guys? Get property. So that's why, first of all, let's go to the Paytm here. Let's go to the Paytm here. Everybody concentrate. And let's write Control-Shift-S. Getter and setter for it. Yes. So let's go for setter here. Because we have to set the value now. Okay, let's set the value here. Go to the phone pay. Right? Let's write control, this one. Setter is there. Let's select the setter here. Generated. Done. Okay. Now let's go for the card here. Let's go for the card here. Let's write Control-Shift-S. Select setter is there. Like select the setter. Done. Right? Let's go for Google Pay and select the setter here. Control-Shift-S. Select the setter here. Okay. Setter is there. Done. Setter is there. Now let's go for anything con. Bacha koi? Nahi hai? Nahi. So let's go here. So I'm writing in on phone pay. Everybody concentrate. Phone pay right now. Pay dot. What is that? Set QR code. Right? Set QR code. And I'm writing here environment dot get which one? Property. And which one? Phone pay na? So let's go here. Let's go here and take the phone pay key. Right? Let's go and take the phone pay key. Right? It said the value. Yes. Now let's go for the pay dot. What is that? Set name. Set name. And what we are writing here? Environment dot. What is that? Get property. And what is the name, guys? Name is name. Okay. Name is name. Perfect. Name is name. But influence हो गया हूँ मैं थोड़ा सा. Right? Let's see, guys. We are writing this one. And here what we are going to write instead of this one. Instead of this one we are going to write which one? Paytm. Right? Then we are going to write here what? Paytm. Paytm. Everything is right up to that? Yes. Now let's go here. Phone pay ho gaya, Paytm ho gaya, Google Pay. Yeah. Let's write here, guys. Everybody see. Now set QR code and let's go for Google Pay there. Pay. Let's go here. Let's write here QR. Google Pay QR. Okay, done. Now let's write here, guys. Everybody see here. Now I'm writing here pay dot. Tell me. Pay dot. This one. Card is also with the same person name, na? Are yaar, card is of also the same person name, right? Okay. Now I'm writing here. Card mein kahan? Set name nahi likha. Card holder name. अच्छा चलो card. ए भाई, just a minute. Card holder name. Yeah, card holder name is there. Let's give this name. Perfect. Now let's start, guys. The next one, which is pay dot. Pay dot. What is that? Set card name. Card name. Environment dot. Get property. And now let's go for the card. So suppose I'm using SBI card right now. So what is the name? Card name. Right? Now tell me here, ICIC card name. Who will take? Both will take, na? Both the name is same or not? So every time I will get ICIC card or SBI card, who will came first? Right or not? That's why if you are writing this, you have to write here in this manner. Suppose we have first card. First card. Then we are going to write here what? First card number. First card number. Then we have to write here second card number. Right? Second card number. Second card number. Second card name and second card number. Right? Second card number, first card number. And then what we'll do? We'll write here SBI as second one. And then in the payment configuration, I will write here second card number, this one. Second card name. In the same manner, I'm writing here pay dot. What is that? Set card number, right? Set card number. Then I'm writing an environment dot. What is that? Get property. And here we have to write here what, guys? Let's go for the property file. Let's go for the property file. And I'm sorry. Second card number. Second card number. And let's insert here second card number. Now tell me, everything is done? Now everything is done or not? Yes. Now let's go for which class, guys? Flipkart. Now we are using Java configuration approach. Which type of IOC container I have to create, guys? Annotation, config, application, context. And we have to pass which configuration? Payment configuration or not? Payment configuration, not functionality. Payment configuration dot, what is that? Class. Okay. Now all the source code classes are completed. Everybody concentrate. All the source code classes had completed. Now I have one class which don't have the source code. I mean to say, I have a class which have the source code. How to make this as bean definition? @component. How to write this auto wire, guys? Tell me how to write this auto wire. Anything, any place you can write. Any place, but this one, setter is recommended one right now. So I can write it as a auto wire or not? Yes, I can write it as a auto wire. Can I write or not? Okay, for Java configuration classes, I mean to say the class which don't have the source code like Phone Pay, Google Pay, card, right? All those things we had written which configuration class? Java configuration class. We had set the value in which class? Java configuration class. Everybody, are you listening? Okay, Java configuration class. Now, tell me right now, everybody concentrate here. Online people, where are you guys? Now, Java configuration class we had written. Now, tell me, if I'm going to this application, Flipkart app, I'm going to tell this context dot, get bean of, kya hai bhai? Payment functionality. So, let's write here, name as pay or payment. If I'm writing here payment here, right? Now let's go for the Flipkart and I'm writing here what? Payment I'm writing. This is what type of class? Payment functionality class. Payment function dot what, guys? Class. Everybody concentrate. Payment function dot class. Now I'm going to call the method. Everybody concentrate here. Now I'm going to call the method. Which is the method? Pay method na? So I'm writing here bean dot. Which method, guys? Bean dot. Which method? क्या था हमारे method का नाम क्या था भाई? The method name is pay, right? Let's go to this Flipkart application and I had bought something and I want to pay. Now tell me what's your answer? What the execution flow? First of all, tell me. First of all, it will go for payment configuration class or not? Now it will go for the payment configuration class. It will see all the property sources. First of all, it will create a environment variable inside the IOC container or not? Now it will see the bean definition. How many bean definitions are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4 are there, right? All 4 are there? Yes. All 4 are there with the setter injection and all those things are there? Okay. Everything have the classes. Now it will go component. Is it going to go for the component, guys? I'm asking you. Now I'm going to run the program. What the answer we are going to get? Tell me. What the answer we are going to get? No such bean definition found. Why? Because we have both configuration and annotation approach now. So IOC container I had given configuration approach, but what about annotation approach? That's why we are going to write here what, guys? At the rate component scan or not, and then here we are going to write here base packages, right? Base packages, and then we have to provide package or not. What is the package? Com dot day 30, right or not? Yes, day 30 is there. Day 30 is there. Now I'm going to this place. Everybody concentrate. Now I'm going to this place, right? And I'm trying to run the program. Now I will get the answer or not, guys? I will get the answer or not? Payment successful through? Payment successful through? Payment successful through क्या? Payment successful through what? Arey, tell me right now. Previously payment successful through Google Pay or Phone Pay or Paytm or card. Now, what we had created, guys? Interface na? How many child subclasses are there? Which one? Wait. All these you had interrupted as XML? All this interrupted as converted as XML in your mind? Okay, now tell me how many bean definition you had written inside the XML? 4, very good. Now my payment function is using a primitive or reference. Then we have to, for reference, for injecting the reference type, we are using auto wire. Auto wire by type is there or not? By type means all the type is a I interface only, na? Confusion or not? For doing this confusion, removing this confusion, what you are writing in the XML? Auto wire candidate. In the same manner, in the configuration, what we are going to write? Perfect. Now you understand about the primary use. Exactly. Right? Now when we are going for Flipkart application, run this program and check. Paytm? Chalo, Paytm se nahi karte. Chalo, Paytm will not going to do with the Paytm. Let's go for the next one. Now, payment configuration approach. Remove this primary from this place and write it in the phone pay. Right? Let's go for Flipkart application. Run this program. हाँ सही में अच्छा. This is the core Java application only. अभी तो तुम लोग को मैंने एप्लीकेशन दिखाया ही नहीं है सही. इतने में ही तुम लोग अरे. When we'll go for REST, we'll see a lot. REST API, very interesting topic. बहुत मजा आएगा. I told you. If you don't have any work, you will do REST API only. In future, right? REST नहीं करोगे, REST API करोगे. REST करोगे तुरंत. Now payment configuration is there. Now tell me, guys, I don't want to. My server is down. I want to pay with card. Card? मैं गिरवी रख दिया कार अपना. Card is there. Now tell me, card is of how many type? 1 only or 2? Card is of 1 or 2. So that's why I will write one more card or not. Then I have to write here card 1 and card 2 or not. And then here we have to write here first card number or not. I have to write here first card number. I have to write here second, not first. First card number. First card number is ICICI, I think. First card number. And this is second card number. Okay. Now I have to create here what, guys? At the rate bean is there. Now let's pay with the card 1. Now which card will execute? Which card will execute? Huh? Are you sure? नाम नहीं दिया मैं. Right? But it will execute. Give the name, right? Otherwise, I can show you this one. Now, Flipkart is there. When I'm going to run this application, right? You can see it is paying through card or not. I mean to say we should have to give the name based on that. Then you will get SBI or ICICI, right? Now, in the same manner, you have seen. So everybody's confidence with this strategy, design, pattern, application with annotation, XML, I mean to say annotation approach, Java configuration approach, everything, guys. Everyone, online people, are you confident right now by seeing this application? What is the time, guys? Okay, hold on. Time is 50. It's a lot time there. Now tell me one thing. First of all, let me show you. Let me show you one thing. Yeah, let me show you one thing. Requirement is there. Requirement. Now tell me, everybody confidence about this strategy design pattern? Now XML approach. XML approach. Setter and constructor injection. How to do? Reply, guys. It's important. Auto wire in XML. Auto wire candidate false. Collection injection. Okay. In annotation, required auto wire, all those things by C. And tell me, is everybody clear with all these annotations? Okay. What about configuration approach? When to go configuration, when to go annotation, when to go XML and annotation? Everybody is clear. Now we had seen about all the, and after that we had seen the combination application with all the things or not, guys? Congratulations, you had completed the Spring Core successfully, guys. Fine. Are you feeling confidence now? 30 days exact, my promise. I had given you the Spring Core with annotation in a way where you understood, right or not? Now, my sincere request is what? Please practice these things. Don't dare to skip this, because interview question, first of all, core Java will be there, and then they will sift directly to this one, and they will ask internal about the Spring Core, because they know if you have a good roots, obviously you know MVC and REST API, all those things very perfectly. That's why I had given that many time for you. I hope everybody understood this first phase, right? So we had completed our 1 month of course. Remaining how many days are there? 60 days remains, right? We'll set a new plan from tomorrow onwards with a new approach, right or not? Let's close this chapter. The task will be there with you, and we'll see tomorrow. Bye-bye, guys. Chalo.